Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. One can rhymes, a co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we will talk about how to make money online, how to do dollar arbitrage, how to invest, and how to start your own online company. Yeah, so today. I want us to focus on arbitrage. But first of all, before I start today's episode, please make sure that you have subscribed and please click on the like and share button so that your friends also will see and know that there is some opportunities somewhere. Yeah. So today I'll be showing you three apps. I'll be using three apps. Yeah. So you'll be doing Exness to Binance Arbitrage and make a profit. That's what you'll be doing. Yeah. So please focus if you want to understand. And if you don't understand, so you can chat me or join my mentorship and I'll guide you through it. So before we start, first of all, open your Exness account. I will leave Exness and Binance link in the description in case you are new to it and you want to join. Yeah. So first of all, we're using Exness and Binance. We're using these two. Yeah, these two to do it. Yeah. So this is how we do it. Exness, you can deposit money through mobile money. And this is how you deposit money through mobile money. You go to deposit. You see mobile money twice. Don't choose the first one. Don't choose this one. Choose the second one. Choose this one. This one, yeah. Then you fill in your details and deposit the money in the Exness accounts. So this is where you'll be getting the money. So let me go to withdraw for you something. Let me go to withdraw for you something. If I'm withdrawing money from Exness to my mobile money account, the rate of $1 is 12.49. But Exness, but Binance, I can get it 12.60 and so on. So I'll be introducing and like one app, that one app, the unless you watch the video from the beginning to the end, that one I'll give it as a bonus because that place you get it's not Remitano, it's a new app. That one you get the USDT for the like you get it for the then you transfer the money to Exness. Exness when you're depositing money or withdrawing money, the fee is zero. Have you seen the fee? The fee is zero. So you'll not pay anything. You not pay anything. So transferring the money from that place to here, the rate is right now it's 12, but I think like and the end of this month it will go to let's say 11.59, something like that. Yeah, because it was 11.58 and last 2 days it came to 12. Yeah. So when you transfer the money to this place, withdrawing the money from here, you will get profit. But when I transfer the money from here to Binance, they will not charge me any fee because deposit withdrawing money from Exness to any platform is free. Yeah. So so you will withdraw the money from Exness here. I hope you're following the thing where Exness here to Binance. Then you go to trade and you go to P2P. You see, then you choose USDT. So let me show you how you can do P2P arbitrage right here. This platform, if you register it new, the money will not be in your other account. So let's say if I deposit money in my Binance, it will be in my trade account. You see, it will be my trade account here. But if I want to do P2P, unless I transfer from trade account to here before I cannot do my arbitrage over here. You see that thing. So when I come to here to to sell my USDT. You see here, I can sell it at 12.56. You see, I can sell it at what? 12.56. So when I get the coins from that app, I will do double transactions. So first of all, I'll from the app from that app to Binance, they will deduct you a fee. But from that app to Exness is free. It's free. Yeah. So you get it at Exness for free. Then you see the money I have right now. So I just transfer. Let me go to. I'll just transfer 10 USDT. Yeah, because have you seen that? I just withdraw 10 USDT to to Binance to Binance, and I made profit from it. Instead of that thing, but today's rate is a little bit down. But I think tomorrow or next week going the rate will be higher. Yeah, and that's why I did that small. I wanted to set $100. Yeah, but the rate was small. Yeah, so when I get the money in the Exness account, then I'll transfer it to here. So let me show you how I transfer it. So I'll go to my Binance home. Then I'll you see this is your Binance home. Then you go to deposit crypto. Then you come here and choose the wallet USDT. You see, then you choose this is where people make mistake. You have to choose the address that you want to send the money through it. So that's TRC20. You see, yeah. Then you copy this thing. You copy it. You see, you copy it. Yeah. Then you come to Exness. Then you come to withdrawal. Then you go to USDT. So you have to choose the same thing as you choose over there. Then you paste your thing over here. So let's say I want to withdraw. Let's say example. Let's use 10 USDT to do it. Then you continue. You see. Then continue again. Then they will send you some code on your phone. You see. So they'll send some code on your phone, like you hear it. They'll send some code on your phone to verify it. After that, listen, I've seen it. Yeah. So when you verify it, then you withdraw it. So the money will be in your Exness account. Yeah. So when you get the money in your Exness account, then you come to trade. Trade. You go to P2P. And because you buy the USDT for let's say 11.59 or 12, when you come here and you sell it 12 point 12.56, you still have what? You still have profit that you have to do it. You see that thing? Yeah. So you still have profit to do it. Yes. You see, yeah, you still have what? You still have some to do it. Because like you bought it 12, 12, 12. Let's say 1,200. 1,200. So you bought it 12 and you are selling it at 12.55. So that 55, 0.55 is your profits. So imagine 0.55 times 10 times. Example, let me use this for example. At times the rate will be very, very cool. Yeah. So 0.55, let's say times 100, 55 cities. So you're spending $100, you be getting what? 55 cities as profits. Is it that thing? Yeah. And this one, people do this to get more than $200 a day. depending on how aggressive you are and how eager you are for money. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's how you do. So let me show you the app I use to do this thing. I use Mastercard USDT app. This one I just invite people on this platform. So this is how I do it. Without any deposit to I haven't deposit anything, like I haven't invest anything. This is how I do it. Let me show you. This one is it's a free bonus. Yeah, free bonus for you all. So when I come to my team, you see that thing, my team. I'll copy my address here and share it to my groups for people to join. So when the more they are joining, the more I'll be getting money from it. You see that thing. So that money I'll be getting, it's a money. It's that thing. So the money is not on a rate. So me transferring the money to Exness at the free rate, they will not deduct you anything. Then transferring to Binance to do P2P trade is a profit for me without like spending anything on it. You see that thing? Without spending anything on it. Without spending anything on it. I just create this account, go to my team, share this platform. The more you are sharing it and people are joining, we're getting free USDT. Then that USDT, I will withdraw it with my Exness account. So let me go to my Exness for you to see. So when I come to here, me withdraw. You see that this is my Exness account, ECX. So let me go to my Exness for you to see. So let me go to my Exness account for you to see. Then let me choose USDT. I want to show you that that's how I do to make most of my money. Yeah. I reason that this is the same address. Yeah. The HECX. So when I come here, you see it's HECX. Yeah. So when I get the money here, then I'll transfer the money to Exness. Then I'll transfer the money to like Binance and it's a profit. That's the trick I used. But if you don't understand it, you chat me, small fee, and I'll guide you to do it. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I'm out. Thank you for watching me. Pow.